Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today's video I will show you another homemade free organic fertilizer for plants. This liquid fertilizer has a lot of nutrients from the plants such as NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, manganese, protein, fiber, etc. We also get amino acid, thiamine, riboflavin from this liquid fertilizer. Another important function of this fertilizer is to help to grow novel bacteria in the soil of the plant. This fertilizer helps in flowering, fruiting and the overall growth of the plant. So friends, you see this is plain rice. Now I put this rice in a bowl and add water. So this time we will wash the rice very well. Then I filtered the water from the rice. I would also like to say that this rice washing water is very important for the plants to use as a fertilizer. And I have already made a video on this rice washing water. If you want, you can click the I button or get the link in the video description. So friends, this time we will put the rice in water to boil it. Now I will cover with a lid. Now we have to wait for the rice to be cooked. So you can see that rice is cooked. This time we are filtering the rice test from the cooked rice. So you see we put the rice test in a pot and wait for 2 hours to cool. So friends, after 2 hours I will use the rice test for plants. So guys, I am making liquid fertilizer here in a 1:10 ratio. For example, 1 liter of rice test should be mixed with 10 liter of clean water. Then I will mix this water well and use it on the plant. Important function of this fertilizer is to help to grow novel bacteria in the soil of the plant. This fertilizer should be applied to the plant very early in the morning or after sunset. If this rice test cannot be used on the plant after 24 hours, the plant may be damaged. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must click thumbs up, share and also comment on this video in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy gardening.